Is it just me, or does that look like a Steak and Shake sign? We can get the undercarriage. So yeah, we are at the Maple Valley Car Wash here in Farmington. This is actually a pretty cool DNS 5000 setup.
Which side?
Which is more appealing to you? It's the exact same system, so...
What do you think? Your call.
I'll try to see if there's any difference at all between them. Let's go for the outer one.
The outer one? All right. You see the sign there? It's only $5 for. Wait, no, the Ultimate's $8.
I just want to get a better shot of that thing up there. That's really cool. I love that it actually has DNS branding on it.
And there's DNS car wash systems on this here too, on the price sign. I don't know if,
yeah.
Can you see it, or do I need to back up?
I got it. So we have a 5, a 6, a 7, and an 8. And it seems like we're the only people here, so I wonder why. We're going to find out.
Yeah. Well,
so,
which one do you want to do?
We'll do the 8. I'll just leave you with my card.
All right.
And I'll go out and get ready to film and get soaking wet again. All right, and here's a better look at the wash bay. You can see they have a list of what it will and won't wash. Now I'm going to get in position to film this thing. While we're waiting for Jason, here's the other automatic bay, which actually has a graphic on this side. And then we have this one here, which actually looks a little more run down at first glance. It is cold out here. I think I'm about to get wet. your signage right there. Ooh, it doesn't sound good. Very cool. The one thing I noticed over the course of shooting this video, which I don't know why I didn't notice at first, this bay has dryers. This bay does not. It seems like this one probably is the... I was about to say, I wonder if the prices are the same, because this bay actually looks a lot better from the back. I'm curious now. Yeah, this system looks like it's in better shape.
Is it newer?
I think they put some new parts on here at least. It looks a lot less worn. This one has triple foam on it too.
Oh,
We got the bad bay. I just want to see. It's the same pricing. Yeah, we picked the bad one. Look, this one even has the newer entry light on it. So this is definitely okay. If you come to this wash,
the middle one.
this is definitely the better bay. I love how rigged this dryer setup is, though. Look at this.
Well,
Yeah.
you chose the bad one.
Yeah, we did. I guess I didn't pay enough attention, but it's hard to see from that side. The pricing's the same.
Wow. So I think if you come to this wash, do the inner one.
Yeah. What a ripoff. But I still did a nice job, though.
Yeah.